All right, so how does ABC get onto STU? All right, so how does ABC get onto STU? So it's going to go, it looks to me like it almost has to rotate in that direction. All right, so I am going to screen clip this. All right, you guys would want to take your paper and turn it, write the coordinates down and put it back. All right, so I'm going to paste this here. And I'm going to bring it right up here. And I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees to the left. All right, counterclockwise, rotate it 90 degrees to the left. All right. And then this caused problems, all right, because it says sequence of rigid motions, all right, and sequence should be more than one. But if I rotate this, rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise or to the left is fine. That does it. And that shouldn't be the answer. All right. So when this test came up and people were asking me, they're like, I did it in one. I'm like, okay, I don't know. Could you do a second one that didn't do anything or do one that, do two more? So, I mean, if you really want to have two, you could be dilate by one, all right, or translation of zero, translation zero up, anything that doesn't move it, but you don't really need this. The Regents took this answer, all right, which is absurd because it says sequence of rigid motions, and that's not a sequence, that's one. All right, but anyways, rotation 90 degrees counterclockwise works. If you want to be creative, you could be like reflect over the X, reflect over the Y, reflect over the X, reflect over the Y. You can do all kinds of crazy things, rotate it 90 clockwise, rotate it 90 counterclockwise. It would put it back. So any of that stuff works if you desperately need to have a second one.